Welcome to our installation guide for motorized shades. Today we'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and successful setup. Let's get started. First, carefully unbox your motorized shade. In your package, you will have the shade with the motorized mechanism and rechargeable battery attached. At this stage, the battery wires will not yet be connected, but please don't do this yet as we will do it later in the video. Your package will also come with a battery charger, an 18-channel remote control, and installation instructions. The first step is installing the brackets and your shade to your window. For installing the brackets, refer to the chain mechanism video, which we will link in our description below. As mentioned earlier, do not attach the wires of the battery yet. Attaching them too early can lead to your strings tangling, which can potentially damage the mechanism. If this does happen, please send it back to us for repair. Now, let's talk about the remote. All shades come programmed to a specific channel on your remote control as per your request. Connect the battery only after the shade is mounted on the brackets. Never connect it before. When connecting the batteries, test each shade using the remote control to ensure that everything is functioning as required. And if you choose channel 0, remember that this allows you to control all of your shades simultaneously to move them up or down. Want to control your shades with your phone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant? All three are possible, but will require some additional steps on your part. To operate the shade from your phone, simply scan the QR code and download the connector application. You can add a location, room, device, and also set up a timer to automate when your shades are lifted up or when you need to cover your windows for privacy. For Alexa or Google Assistant, you'll need a connector bridge. We sell connector bridges as well, and you can purchase it at the link in the description of the video. This device links your shade to Wi-Fi, enabling smart control. Instructions will be included with the connector bridge package. Just scan the QR code to get started. If you use your shades almost every day, the battery will last about 5 to 6 months. When the shade stops working, simply connect the charger to the battery. The charger has an indicator light. Red means the battery needs charging, and green means the shade is ready to be used again. That's it! You've successfully installed your motorized shades. For any further questions or additional support, please refer to our customer services. Thank you for choosing our product and enjoy your new motorized shades. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you liked the video. We would love to receive your feedback and let us know what you would like to see from us next. Thank you.